Understand this in music, you have to study physics. Right. Now, physics and music are mutually exclusive, you know. But once you deal with the sound of music, you go in and dwell into the collision of air molecules.
So you're traveling all over the world lecturing on, you know, these...
Not lecturing, but mostly writing and working for companies.
Right. Okay. So you just get gigs related to knowing a lot about all these subjects and being able to explain them and talk.
Being able to solve problems.
Okay.
I have a gift to solve problems.
But then when you're not doing that, comedy.
Yeah. You have to take psychopathology, power psychology, because you have to take stuff like precognition, premonition, clairvoyance, lucid dream. A number of different power psychological phenomena are augmented, modified, and